How's it going, guys? It's Christian from Racknerd. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to choose the perfect domain name for your business. But before we dive into it, let's start with the basics. So what exactly is a domain name? A domain name is the unique address that identifies your website on the internet. It's what users type into their web browsers to access your site. For example, the domain name for Racknerd is www.racknerd.com. And the domain name for Google is www.google.com. Simple enough, right? Now that we've covered the basics of what a domain name is, let's talk about how to choose the right one for your website. The first tip is to make sure that your domain name is relevant to your business or website. Ideally, your domain name should reflect what your website is about and what services or products you offer. This will make it easier for users to remember your website and find it again in the future. Number two, make sure your domain name is simple and easy to remember. Avoid using complex or unusual spellings, numbers, or special characters in your domain name. Stick to simple, easy to pronounce words that are easy to remember. The third tip is to make sure that your domain name is easy to type. Avoid using words that are difficult to spell or have multiple spellings. Keep your domain name short and simple to make it easy for users to know exactly what to type into their browser. Number four, always choose a domain name with a relevant top-level domain. The TLD is the part of the domain name that comes after the dot, such as com, net, org, or info. Depending on your website's purpose and your target audience, you may want to choose a TLD that is specific to your industry or location. Lastly, I would recommend that you check for trademark or copyright issues before registering your domain name. Make sure your chosen domain name is not already trademarked or copyrighted by another business or individual. This can save you from legal headaches and potential lawsuits down the line. So these are our top tips for choosing the right domain name for your website. But keep in mind that choosing a domain name is just one part of the equation. You also need to choose the right web hosting provider to make sure that your website is fast, reliable, and secure. At Racknerd, we offer a wide range of web hosting solutions that will meet your needs. Feel free to check out our hosting solutions at racknerd.com. I'll be leaving a link in the description down below so you can take a look at our domain registration and website hosting service offering. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.